Welcome back to Cool Fred's Garage. This Cool Fred here. So today I'm going to help you out with a couple of tips to get your performance fuel pump installed on a small block Chevy mechanical fuel pump. So here's our fuel pump right here. So this is what we're installing on our small block Chevy 350. So what I'm doing now, I'm going over here and I'm just kind of placing it over here, but you can kind of see how that lower housing is clocked, because this right here is the outlet at the top, the inlet is at the bottom. You can't see it, but you can kind of tell what I noticed, because this right here is our fuel line that's coming from the fuel tank. So it won't be kinked or whatever. I need to adjust this lower housing here. So this thing has 6 screws at the bottom. I'm gonna loosen those screws and rotate this housing and check it again, and that should give me the clearance I need. Alright, so once I get all the screws out, I got 2 more in there I got to get out. Alright, so once I got all the screws out, what I'm trying to do is just slightly rotate it to the right. It does have some spring pressure on it, so you got to kind of hold it in there. And I'm going to try to get a couple screws in there. You got a gasket in between there too, so you got to make sure you get, make sure the gasket holes are lining up. So you can rotate these pumps 360 degrees in 6 different locations. Alright, so now I'm going to take my fuel pump and kind of set it over here and see how it's going to work out. So now I see that I got it in the area where I can get to all my fittings and stuff like that. So all I got to do now is just put my fittings on and install that. So thank you guys for checking out Cool Fred's Garage. This right here is just a quick tip for the fuel pump, to get your fuel pump clock right.